Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel GK for Everyone. Please do like our channel, share it among your friends, and do please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all the latest current affairs, static GKs, quizzes, and lots more, most necessarily for your competitive exams preparation. So today, without wasting any time, let's discuss some current affairs. Today is 21st June and 21st June is observed as International Yoga Day around the world. The theme of International Yoga Day 2021 is Yoga for Well-being. Yoga is a must necessarily concept which comprises of exercise, some meditations, and lots more, most necessarily for a healthy well-being. Then, 21st June is also observed as International Music Day. Then coming to some questions. Which Indian naval ship has been at just the base shape of Eastern Naval Command at Fleet Awards Function 2021? The answer to it is INS Sahyadri, INS Khukri and INS Kiltan. The next question. Which sport does Jiv Milkha Singh play? Milkha Singh, or the Flying Sikh, as everyone know, he passed away yesterday. Jiv Milkha Singh is his son, and he is a famous golf player, the son of Milkha Singh, who is known as the Flying Sikh. The next question. Which brand made Jasprit Bumrah the brand ambassador of its wearables? So, think for a minute. The answer is OnePlus, the famous mobile and other gadgets brand. The next question. Which campaign did Delhi government launch regarding vaccination? The answer to it is Jahan Bhot Wahan Tikakaran. The next question. Which Indian American chemist has been awarded with the European Inventor Award 2021 and the Non-European Patent Office Countries category? What can be the answer? The answer is Sumita Mitra. This award is presented annually by the European Patent Office to recognize outstanding inventors from Europe and the globe. Yoga Certification Board of India has appointed Indian Council for Cultural Relations as the personal certification body. ICCR alongside the Ministry of Ayush will now start yoga certification courses for professionals across the globe. In addition to this, ICCR will now make certain Indian embassies become the centers for yoga certification. ICCR, or the Indian Council of Cultural Relations, is taking very important steps which will be much useful for the youth for a life towards a healthy well-being. Ireland Kevin O'Brien retires from ODIs. Kevin O'Brien, the famous cricketer, has been retired from his ODI career. FTCCI CEO Khyati Narayanan was awarded Certificate of Commitment by the World Book of Records. The FTCCI is the Federation of Telangana Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Khyati Narayanan has been awarded by the Book of World Records London for the commitment towards trade and industry during the COVID times. The Book of World Records has taken an initiative to motivate and encourage people to be committed to safety. The World Book of Records of London recognized the work of Federation and awarded its CEO Khyati Narayanan the Certificate of Commitment. The person who translated Quran into Gojri language passes away at the age of 56. So who may be he? He is Mufti Faizul Wahid, a renowned Islamic scholar who was the first to translate the Quran into Gojri language and help many tribal students pursue medical and engineering education across Jammu and Kashmir. Died of post-COVID complications at a private hospital at the age of 56. So thank you guys. This is all for today. Please do stay connected with us and do visit our Facebook page gyanbhandar.online for more updates. And you can find the description in the description box the PDF of all our lectures. So thank you guys. Stay tuned. Have a nice day.